Hi, in this video, we're going to use the graph to find the slope and y-intercept of the graph. Then we're going to take a look at how does that compare to the values in the problem. So let's start by finding our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. That's going to be right here. Now, looking at this, we can see that this is counting up from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's counting upwards, we know that our y-intercept is at 0, 4, and it's a positive 4. Now we need to talk about, well, what do we know about our slope? For our slope, it's very helpful to find an additional point on the graph. That's a good point. Now, what do I mean by a good point? That means something where that line goes perfectly over the graphing, the almost crosshairs, where the lines from the graph paper cross. So for example, this would be another good point. That's the point 1, 2. And you go from one point to the other. So starting at that first point, I go down 1, 2, and then I'm going right 1. So when I'm thinking about my slope down 2 is going to be -2, and right 1 is going to be +1. So this is the same thing as -2 divided by 1, or -2. Take a look at our equation. -2 is the number directly in front of the x, so this makes sense. -2 was the slope. And 4 is the number after the x, because our y-intercept is 0, 4. So we can confirm that not only is the slope -2, the y-intercept 0, 4, but the equation of this line is y equals -2x plus 4.